Hi, Dave Park here. I'm going to talk about the history of starters. These little engines are great. They're fantastic. They do all kinds of jobs for you. They actually they have a wonderful history. They started with a power wheel that drove like a flexible flyer sled, and they had a pulley on them. They drove the back wheel, and then they dropped it on the ground, and they pushed the guy along. And somebody looked at these little engines and said, whoa, that's a cool deal. Let's put it on a edger or a lawnmower or something like that. And that's how it started. But in order to get them to do that work, you have to start them. And this is where it's first started, is right here on the pull starter, your wrap-around pull starter. They would wrap the rope around here, pull it, and if it didn't start, they'd do it again. Not very efficient. Then they came up with a recoil starter. And what they did is they put a spring inside a casing attached to a pulley and put a rope around the pulley. And when they pulled, it would automatically recoil itself, so then you just pull it again. A lot easier. Now today, they've got a new kind of starter. It's a preloaded double action starter where you pull the rope and the outside of the pulley turns, but the inside of the pulley that engages the flywheel does not engage until a certain amount of tension is reached on the inner pulley. And then it releases, and you get a lot faster spin for a lot slower pull. They really haven't been perfected yet, and they're a little hard to get used to, but they're pretty neat.